2022 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 first look, rugged and ready. But before we start, please support us by pressing the like and subscribe buttons, so that we can continue to provide information about car and motorcycle news. Also turn on the bell button to get the latest updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you. The 2022 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 might be late to the party, but Chevy's new flagship off-road truck comes prepared. Situated above the Trail Boss in the model range, the full-size ZR2 will come powered by the familiar 6.2-liter V8 producing 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-to-foot of torque. Those hoping for a Ram 1500 TRX-fighter packing a supercharged V8 will be disappointed, but the ZR2 will have a suitable rival in the Ford F-150 Tremor, or perhaps even the F-150 Raptor. Along with introducing the new flagship ZR2, Chevrolet makes additional changes to the Silverado lineup, including updates to the front end. Starting with the suspension, the ZR2 comes equipped with Multimatic dynamic suspension spool valve, DSSV, shock absorbers, a first for a Silverado but a major feature of the Chevy Colorado ZR2, as well as a front electronic locking differential, in addition to the rear locker. It also features an upgraded skid plate package, uniquely tuned springs, and a new high approach steel front bumper. Riding on standard 33-inch tires, the ZR2 has a ground clearance of 11.2 inches and approach/breakover/departure angles of 31.8, 23.4, 23.3 degrees. The trailer weight rating is 8,000 pounds, while the maximum payload capacity is 1,440 pounds. Designed for off-road capability and daily on-road use, the Silverado ZR2 has received several exterior enhancements. Separating it from the rest of the lineup, the bolder-looking Silverado ZR2 features a new black hood insert, a unique grille with integrated lighting, ZR2 badges, and 18-inch wheels. Inside, the ZR2 gets a unique jet black/graystone leather-trimmed interior. The bumper has removable end caps, making them replaceable in case of damage from rocks or other objects during off-roading. On the backside, the dual exhaust was positioned behind the bumper to avoid possible damage. Exterior updates to the entire Silverado family include a new front fascia and grille design. This redesign lowers the headlamps, while the wing-shaped daytime running lights on LT models and above have animated lighting sequences when approaching, starting, or walking away from the vehicle. New paint colors for the updated 2022 Silverado include dark ash, sand dune, and glacier blue metallic. On LT trims and higher, the truck gets a refreshed interior combines that looks like a significant improvement. New equipment includes a fully configurable 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and horizontally positioned 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment. Furthermore, in models with bucket seats, the new center console integrates an available electronic shifter. New available colors, seat designs, and better materials appear to boost the cabin's premium feel, particularly in the range-topping High Country models. The Silverado High Country features authentic open-pore wood trim on the door panels, center console, and upper glove box. Leather upholstery with an exclusive perforation and contrasting stitching is standard. LTZ and High Country trims come equipped with a Bose premium audio system featuring stainless steel speaker grills. As for interior color, customers have a choice of jet black or night shift blue. Front and center, the wider touchscreen infotainment connects to the configurable instrument cluster to provide a panoramic view of general settings and vehicle readouts. All LT trims and beyond now have built-in Google compatibility, which activates by saying "Hey Google" or pressing the push-to-talk button on the steering wheel. With the built-in Google feature, customers can change the vehicle climate, set reminders, use their voice to call or text friends or listen to music. This new Google add-on complements the technology features Silverado buyers are already used to, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability, and available Amazon Alexa. As we anticipated earlier, Super Cruise is available on the Silverado High Country. Other driver assistance aids offered in the 2022 Silverado includes trailer side blind zone alert, which covers the length of the trailer during lane changes, and adaptive cruise control enhanced for trailing. Chevy Safety Assist, a suite of 6 active safety features, is standard on all trims. An HD rear vision camera and buckle-to-drive safety features are also standard across the new 2022 model lineup.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like. Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.